So welcome everyone. This is finally
the video that has been
waited for.
There you go.
I guess. Everybody's been like, where's the van video? I want to see what it looks like. Did you finish the video? And we're like, it's coming.
So here it is.
Here she is.
The beautiful Jag herself.
We call her the Jaguar. It's basically just a reference to the kind of music that we vibe to.
Yes.
We're R&B fans, and Victoria Monet had an album that was,
popping, for lack of better words. But
gave us the inspiration in this van, and you can kind of tell with the color scheme and everything too. So
yes,
you guys will see that.
Wow.
But it's a Ford E250.
Hey.
There's Amber. Funny story, our hubcap came off. Oh, well, that's for another time.
That's why we didn't show it.
But anyway, this is the van.
Wow.
Is she pretty?
She is. This is what we did, y'all.
So you come in and automatically you see the stars, right? That took time and effort and brains and let me just
so many holes.
Cash. She's so cute.
So many holes poked.
But yeah, but that took a while, but we'll explain that maybe in the description. We have the bed on top in the left. What else do we have?
Our counter space, obviously.
Yes.
You see that I epoxied. That took a while too, which was fun.
Yeah. That's on just like an industrial shelving from Walmart, basically. Yeah. I had it in my room and I was like, let's use that.
Yep.
So starting by the door, when you come in, we have our books. Just basically it explains a lot about us. Also, the tail of our little Jaguar table broke, so that's that.
So these are the books that, we're going to eventually have time to just settle down and get into, vegan food, obviously.
Obviously. We try as hard as we can just to, put good into our body, and that's just what happens.
Yep.
So next we have, obviously, my...
Her
it's a little out of
arrays
control.
of sneakers.
It's okay. It's out of control. Seeing it like this, oh my gosh,
it's pretty
I'm
cool.
Myself on blast.
It's pretty cool that you were able to bring all them with you, though.
Yeah,
that's how much
Yeah,
storage.
they're not in the way.
Yeah,
they're not in the way.
They're not.
So there we go.
We also got these baskets from
Target. Yes, they were
Target.
cheap. They were like $1.
Yep. So we decided to put all our little knickknacks. Maybe instead of a junk drawer, we got junk baskets.
But they're uniform, so
yeah,
they're okay.
organized.
That's just a bunch of crazy wires.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what we mean by
of course. We got
hair products.
To the hair products.
Dara Hair Care, get into it.
Yes, our mama's hair care line. If you want
Go
details
get
with that, we can let you know.
Us. We cute or whatever. So now we're up top, kind of above the seats. We have our battery that we plug our lights in, our AC.
There's some more
records and stuff
food back there.
Yeah. What else?
Pantry?
Baskets of food. Yeah, pantry.
Yeah.
Pantry. Bread. Your hand was going wild in the video. Anyway, we use that strap to strap across the pantry, and it kind of fits everything down, but
make sure things don't fall up there.
Yeah.
So that's basically what that does. And then our stove is usually under there, which is outside right now, but it's okay.
So now we're in the kitchen. We start over here. We have our utensils. We have some bread. And we usually use oats and rice, so that's in those containers.
Yes.
Seasoning, spoons,
other utensils,
more seasoning. Because you need seasoning, people.
More than salt and pepper.
Sugars. Plenty of sugar. Ooh, that's Manuka sugar, and you mix that and you can make tapioca balls because we use the tapioca starch. Oh God,
it's a long
so
process,
good.
but it's so
We're
good.
gonna make a reel one day of making matcha lattes.
Matcha.
Anyway,
Powder
yeah,
back
matcha
there.
powder. There you go. More stuff.
So yeah, that's basically
That's the kitchen.
Oh yeah.
We found that at the thrift store. Isn't that perfect?
We had to. You got the disciples praying over our food.
Prayed over the food.
Come on. So we had to sneak that in there. Put that back there like a backsplash, maybe.
When the devil come in and that thing comes in like a thief in the night.
He ain't even gonna come in.
Okay. The sign just says, "Boom, get out." Anyway, now we have this sink.
Yep.
This is the soap that we use. It's biodegradable and all that, so it's good for the earth. Clean earth.
So this sink, we actually powered it to use by like pressure. So under the bottom, that's the valve opening and closing, and then under the bottom we have right here. I'm about to show you. Don't mind my feet.
That's the hose. That's the clean water. And then there's another hose for gray water. But you basically just use the foot. Okay, I have a friend who knows about this boat stuff, so she gave me a boat pump. And so we're using that as a pressurized water system. And it works.
It sure does.
I learned that from YouTube, and I'll put the video where I learned it from in the description.
Yeah.
But yeah, we get good pressure.
We got running water, y'all. That's all you need.
And then you just throw out the water when you're done.
Yeah.
It's really not that difficult.
Of course, we got a candle for when it's smelling right. Make sure it don't burn down.
But
the place,
yes, put it in a safe place, and then
Yeah.
make sure it dries in time before you drive off, whatever it is. Coffee.
Best part of the morning. Grind fresh coffee. Yep, that's my job in the morning.
Yeah, it is. It is. It is. You do it well. You do it well.
I do.
So now we have our two Yeti coolers. They are the same size. One fits on the shelf and one doesn't, but one's next to the water, and then the gray water pipe too. Whatever.
Yeah.
But these are the coolers.
This strap right here we use to make sure that nothing moves while we're driving, and it goes all the way from the back and then across. Then now we have our little, I guess kitchen area maybe. Got the snack bag. Gotta have the snacks on deck.
Gotta have the snacks.
And then we go in here and we have our bowls and pots and pans.
That's the jet boil. That's what we
etc.
use to make coffee.
Yes. And also Target.
Baskets.
Yep. Target came in
Step
clutch.
stool. For my bed.
Amen.
If we ever use it.
Then we have our laundry area. It's little sleek, put together, stackable.
Different than just a laundry bin,
Exactly.
make
Switch
it look
it up.
different.
Yeah. And then
Fill from the bottom to the top.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, now we're basically in the garage. Well, actually no. Here's the curtain system that we have. They just go all the way around. This is the right side of the bed where Amber keeps her clothes. And then you come over to the left and she has her shoes.
Your shoes are in there too.
Yeah, some of my shoes are in there too. And then we just have some of the stuff on the top that we always need handy. Yes, batteries, Goal Zero,
projector,
clutch,
etc.
What else do we have? So basically now we're in the garage, people.
Yes.
This is like the back. Yeah.
This is where we have all of our bags,
Essentials,
a tent,
toilet paper, toiletries,
towels,
linen, hammock, lounge chairs.
You get it. I think they get
it. Party, boom, boom.
But yeah, that's our garage area. Basically, just storage.
Yeah. Everything else.
Yeah.
So that's that, everybody.
This is our bed, which we've been comfortably sleeping on. And it's just been great.
Yeah, we find different ways to sleep on it every day.
Yeah.
Honestly. And you just make things work when you're in here. Obviously, it's not an ideal queen size bed.
Right.
Hey, Cash. But we make it work.
Yeah, we
She's
sure
so
do.
Cute. She's huge. Oh, we also have this rug. Where did we get this rug from?
I don't know. Not Target though.
It's like ruffly and it's like vintage and cute,
Yeah.
and we like it. So, and it's like rough enough, and like you can't tell when it's super dirty.
Yeah.
So that's nice.
And then we have another view of our garage.
From
As
the back,
you can tell, there's a lot of bags and stuff, just stuff there, but organized. The key to van life is being organized because it's a small amount of space, and you know things can get messy.
Yep.
Then now we have our
shower
curtains to cover up our stuff so that when we have the doors open and have our shower back here, none of that stuff gets wet.
We're about to show you that too.
Yes. There you go.
Here she goes.
Back your head is donkulous, girl.
So we kind of learned this concept from another video too on YouTube. We can link it in the description. Obviously, ours is looking a little crazy right now, but it works for now.
Yeah.
It's
if we want to change it, we can, but
yeah, it's basically just a tapestry on some poles hooked to some stuff. Like, it's very unorthodox, but it works.
It's giving me kindergarten.
It's giving,
but it works.
First grade.
Hey, this is our shower, okay? We gotta take showers, okay? So this
so when we're in like kind of like more of like a
wilderness,
wilderness
area.
Camping situation. Obviously, we're not gonna do this on the side of the road.
Yes.
But it's enough space. It covers what it needs to cover.
Right. It gets the job done.
Okay. And we'll show you the shower that we use. It's actually propped up out there, so we're gonna show you how we use that too. But yeah. So here is our camping setup. This is how we, set it up so that the 2 days that they're out there or whatever is comfortable.
This is actually at Juniper Springs in Florida.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to check that campground out, it's pretty cool. Cheap. They have a cool spring that you can go swimming, and then set up.
Nemo. This is the shower we were talking about that we use. Oh, that's Jag table.
Jag comes in so handy.
She comes in
everywhere.
clutch. But we have the Nemo shower. It is what does it use? Helium pressure or something like that?
Yeah.
So
air pressure.
It has a long hose, and then you just pump and the water comes out. And if you leave it in the sun, it gets hot. It's pretty good pressure too. So that was a great investment. That's what we use out here.
Definitely.
While we're camping and stuff.
And this is the rest of the setup that we have on the campground. Little stove that the campground came with, and then this
our
is our
like
setup.
spider table.
Yep. Spider table. 3-person tent. Walmart. Cheap. Great quality.
Worth it.
Gets the job done again.
Comfortable.
Yes.
So worth it.
And
now
then
we have our hammock set up.
Hammock, and then also our bathroom area, which is right there.
It's like it's like so throne-ish.
Yes.
It's like in the corner, and it's like. But anyway, so this is how our lights work. We just plug it into the battery, and this is like the LED strip, and we just kind of wrapped it around this whole steel bar action that we have going on in here. We like the industrial look, so we kind of kept it a little rustic, and I like it. But we also use the long bar LED lights from Walmart, and you can just click it on and off or use the remote.
They're battery operated, so it's easier, since we only have those batteries, it's easier to have battery operated appliances just to, replace the battery and be good.
Those actually stink. The touch finger lights, those are bad. Yeah, we're getting rid of those.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, this is the van and just all she has to offer.
She has a lot to offer.
So much for watching. I'm so glad we finally got to show you guys the hard work we did. Mind you, we did this in 24 days. That's crazy.
Yep.
That's crazy. I'm proud of us for doing that.
I am too.
And
really took a lot of hard work and determination. We did it.
I'm just ready for the rest of the trip. Let's get this going. Let's go.
Hey, we out.
Hop in.
Hop in.